Hello, I'm Jessica. I'm from the US.
और अभी मैं हूँ गल्लू टेम्पल पे। अगर आपको ट्रिउंड ट्रैक जाना है तो आप दो तरीके से आ सकते हो। फर्स्ट बाय यूजिंग दैट शॉर्टकट जो मैंने शॉर्टकट लिया था, एंड फ्रॉम बागसू इट इज़ जस्ट 30 मिनट वॉकिंग एंड द मेन टैक्सी, यू कैन टेक द टैक्सी टिल गल्लू टेम्पल। ओके, गल्लू टेम्पल तक आप टैक्सी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और यहाँ से फिर आपको इस तरफ ऊपर ट्रिउंड तक। सो आफ्टर हैविंग टी वी गॉट आवर पावर एनर्जी बैक। And finally, Jessica is looking tired.
I am tired. Oh, I've been tired. I've definitely been tired.
But we didn't lose our motivation. We are still motivated.
We're
Well-
over halfway.
We are over halfway, and we will make it.
Yeah. No rain. Love it.
No rain, high clouds, good view,
Good company.
good company. So this is the thing. So see you up there. So finally we made it, and we took 3 hours to reach Triund.
Impressive timing.
Yeah, that's great. And now it's time for the victory cookies.
Celebration cookie. No sugar added. Though.
Yeah. Now enjoy the view. Triund is, and if you want to go more up till the snow line, you can go over there, but it will be like a 2-day trek, 2 or 3 day. So you can go over there and do some camping, stay over there, enjoy the snow and come over here.
I'm good. Very happy.
Very.
Be in a worse place. I recommend the hike. It's wonderful. It was hard in the beginning, a lot of steps, but once you get past, I recommend sitting for chai, and then the way up here is nice. If you have someone to talk to, you don't think about how long it takes, so bring a friend.
And that's the main thing. Don't come alone. If you want to come here, be with a good partner like Jessica.
Yeah.
Because if you come with the people who always cry, you can't make it.
It will be
It's
hard
about
for you.
the journey, not the destination, although this is a good destination. So.
It's all the destination. Happy people, happy destination. So see you guys
The bottom.
at the bottom.